Look at this one, over 100 years old, 1916 Dodge Brothers touring car. Nice looking shape. Black paint shows well. Yes, you're going to come across an imperfection here or there on it. Of course, it's black, but overall, take a look at that shine. Underneath the hood, 212 cubic inch L head, inline 4-cylinder. Of course, that is paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. Should get a look at these fenders. Of course, wooden wheels. You gotta love these Dodge Brothers center caps. We'll fire it up here at the end, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay also. You'll be able to see the top in the still pictures. Got a picture from every angle, so take a look at the still pictures, be able to see the undersides, the interior. And the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Car came out of a large collection, and it had been in that collection for quite some time. Well taken care of. Restoration work done to it. Check out that steering wheel. We'll get around to the driver's side and show you that in a second. For ease of access, it actually slides for getting in and out. Of course, the spare tire mounted on the rear. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. What a fun car to take to your local roll-ins, local shows. Definitely not going to see one of these every day. And once again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. FYI, it's kind of come detached here with the top and the rear of it. FYI, just make you aware of that. And you can kind of see that in the still pictures too. Again, have this car from every angle. Take a little closer look at the interior, which again is in nice shape. Of course, you'd have your footrest down here. Now we'll fold back out of the way. Want to take a look at it. It could fold back both sides. Of course, a competitor to the Model T back in the day. I believe the Dodge Brothers started making these in 1914, if I remember right. All right, let's slip up in here. First of all, there is underneath the hood here, there is a gas shutoff, and there's also a electrical shutoff, dead man switch, I guess, if you will, up underneath the dash, right here, straight up from there. There you can see it. Give you an idea, but both of those are on, the gas and the switch. So then it's just a matter of coming here, turning this key. You see that light come on? Electric start, and it is on the floor down here, has been added. Just push it, starts right up. Now as far as the steering wheel, you got ready to drive, you'd slide it back down, lock it into place. Want to slide it out of the way, there's this little button there, and then it slides back up out of the way for ease of access in and out of the car. Even a glove box in this one. Also, the gauges. Smooth runner. And let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to open this side of the hood compartment or engine compartment and take a look at it. There you go. Again, L-head 4-cylinder. Here's that gas shut off right there. Flip it up, and the gas is off, down, and you'll have fuel. Smooth runner. Looks good in that engine bay too. And you'll be able to see that in the still pictures from both sides as the hood's open at uniqueclassiccars.com. 2016 Dodge Touring Car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consultant or sales associate when you call in or email.